N.R.T. here, guys. We'll be doing something a little different today. We'll be talking about basically some manuals. I found some equipment that my grandparents had and got rid of the equipment, but the manual stayed. Now some of the stuff we do still have, and the first one, then nothing's in order, but this is new. And then I got another one that probably goes with that. Then here's a parts manual for the Cushman. Then here's a operator manual for a New Holland skid steer. Don't know what model was, but an older style New Holland skid steer. Then here is a 1880 New Holland crop cruiser. Had a bunch of those. Here's a manual for another 1880 crop cruiser. Here's a compressor manual. Here's a Honda GX manual, which is, I'm pretty sure, is for the 340 that I was going to put on my tractor. It was on a pressure washer, but the pump when it cost too much to fix. And then here's a Gell silage wagon manual. And then here is a New Holland crop chopper 340 338. Had that, just got rid of that. Got rid of some more equipment a little while ago. And here's a Gell flail chopper, pretty much the same thing as that. Here's another manual for a forged box from Gell. Though that's a 1920 and that's a 1910. And then here is a Gell FC72B flail chopper. And then here's a FC72B flail chopper. That's the same thing. Yeah, that's the same thing. Some of you may have no idea what I'm talking about. Some of you do understand what all this equipment does and what's for. This is a CB860 forged chopper by Gell manual. Here's a dump cart that I wanted to fix up for 7610. Dump chef. There's this manual right there. Here is a model 34 and 38 crop chopper from Ford New Holland. What else? Here's a service manual for Cushman. Here's a book for Honda. Pretty sure that goes to my grandpa's old Recon, which I bought. But it blew up, so I need to rebuild it. It's just, here's another Honda manual. You can buy them damn four-wheelers for cheaper than it costs to rebuild them, so that's what happens. I have 3 of them. Here's a manual to the compressor I use to do the bodywork on the 7610. Here's another compressor manual. Classic series. Reliable chemical feed pumps. My grandparents were dairy farmers, so here's a Victor torch manual. These are very cool. These are the blueprints to my grandparents' dairy farm when it was built. Here's a harsh mobile mix little paper. I think it was part of a manual, but the manual's missing. Here's a motorcycle parts paper little book. Here's the manual to the 580. Here's a high pressure hose reel. Some of this stuff's the building paperwork and stuff. Blueprints and here's the paperwork to 028 wood boss, which I was fixing that up. That's pretty much it. Everything else is blueprints and building paperwork, so. And I think this is paperwork too. Yeah, that's all paperwork. I think this is for the 250 Recon, the same one that book's for. So that's basically all the manuals. Some of these are probably, I mean, some of them have been opened when you're all dirty and stuff and you need to get a part number for a machine or something, so they're dirty, but some of these may be able to help some people, so I'll post some pictures of these manuals on some tractor grips and see if anyone needs any parts numbers out of them. So, but that's basically all the manuals I have. Probably find some more. I've been finding all types of blueprint papers. I found some in an old white pickup truck when I was cleaning it out. Found some where these were, so I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I heard we had probably 10 1880s and 1890s, so it's a pretty decent operation, but sometimes equipment gets so worn out it's cheaper to scrap it than to repair it, so. But in the classic tractor world, this is all American right here, so, or badass. But yeah, I hear see over a lot of people over east on the East Coast use them 1880s and 1890s and Gale chopper wagons, and but yeah, so all right, well, please subscribe, like, comment, share the video, and put down in the comments if you could use any numbers out of these books, or if you have a piece of equipment that I described in this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. I'm gonna go rock out some Billy Idol, okay?